What's up everybody, hope you're all doing great. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital and good morning. And welcome back to yet another update on Quant, which I have covered quite a bit over the last week. It's relatively bullish, it's still at around $80. So first of all, I think that's great because I hold a little bit of Quant. Apart from that, I know that there's a huge community behind Quant. That's also one of the main reasons I invested in it, apart from it, I think, being a very valuable project. But basically wanted to do an update on it because it seems that Quant is actually holding levels relatively high compared to other cryptos. So I wanted to analyze a little bit if that means that it's just lagging behind, and that we're going to have a big drop very soon, or if Quant is actually genuinely strong. And I think it's the second one, to be honest. And there's some things going on with Quant locking up funds for institutions. So also some bullish fundamentals for Quant right now. I do expect us to drop down a little bit more, but that does have a little bit more of a story I need to tell around that. So first of all, this was the last analysis. I thought we would probably reach a little bit higher than we did right here, which we did, but almost not higher, right? And that we would then drop down to this level between $76 and $71, which we did. We found support at that upper bound, which is again a sign of how strong we are. And then we actually found, and then we found resistance at 84, and now we're still bullish at around between these two key levels, right? So what I expect is, I don't expect we'll see a bullish breakout for Quant right now. I think the market is too bearish on the short term and also on the long term for that. If we would want a bullish breakout for Quant, we would need to break above $93. If we break above $93, we can easily get up to $104. But I don't think, I just think that's too bullish for now. I think this is going to be the local top. We could actually reach into this area here around $88 with this move. But after that, I do think we're going to drop down. First of all to $76 and afterwards down to $71. And I think $71 is going to hold, at least for some time. But then, and this move could all happen quite quickly, right? Because tomorrow, I think when we get that new inflation rate, or the new inflation rate numbers for the United States, I think Quant will be here between $76 and $71. Somewhere right there, I think at least. And then it's going to be interesting because if we actually get lower than expected interest rates, and we're down here, inflation rate, excuse me, then I think Quant actually has that possibility to get that break above $93. It's going to be a small probability. It's going to be like 25%. But we're either going to get a move up to $93, I'd say, with like lower than expected and significant lower than expected inflation rate numbers from that level. So that would be great too. But on the other side, and that's why I definitely wouldn't trade it, as I said, I think we'll be down there tomorrow somewhere. And what I expect then when the inflation rate is higher than expected is then I do expect this whole level between $71 and $76 to break and Quant to fall down towards this level here at $64 and $63, which is an area I do think Quant will hold. I mean, as I said, Quant is looking pretty strong right now, so I might also be a little bit biased, some sort of a recency bias because it's bullish right now. It doesn't mean it has to be that strong within the next few days. But still, so yeah, that's basically a quick update for now. I will probably update it after the inflation rate numbers too. I think that's going to be important. But for now, thank you all for watching and listening. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you all in my next videos. Bye.